Welcome to Ed Talks Daily. All right, let's be real. If you're watching this, you probably want to absolutely crush the SAT. Stick around to the end and we'll show you how. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. It costs you nothing and it really helps the channel. Maybe you're aiming for that dream college, or you just want to prove to yourself you can do it. Whatever your reason, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best strategies for scoring high on the SAT. Stick around. These tips are game changers. First, let's talk about why the SAT actually matters. Scholarships, honors programs, acceptance itself. It's a big deal, but it's also totally beatable if you've got the right game plan. So, quick breakdown of the SAT has 2 main sections. Evidence-based reading and writing, math. There's also an optional essay, but most schools don't require it anymore. The whole test is scored out of 1,600. Each main section is worth 800 points. Now let's get into the strategies that'll help you get as close to that 1,600 as possible. Strategy number 1, master the format. Seriously, knowing the structure of the SAT is half the battle. Get comfortable with the types of questions, the timing, and the instructions. Take full-length practice tests so nothing surprises you on test day. Strategy number 2, focus on weaknesses. Don't just keep practicing what you're already good at. Identify your weak spots. Maybe it's algebra, maybe it's reading comprehension, and attack them head on. Use practice tests to figure out where you lose the most points and double down on those areas. Strategy number 3, learn to guess smart. There's no penalty for wrong answers, so don't leave anything blank. If you're stuck, eliminate obviously wrong choices and make your best guess. Sometimes a little logic goes a long way. Strategy number 4, build a vocabulary toolkit. The reading and writing sections love to throw tricky words at you. Flashcards, vocab apps, whatever works for you. Knowing just a handful of extra words can make a big difference. Strategy number 5, time management is key. The SAT is a marathon, not a sprint. Practice pacing yourself so you don't run out of time on any section. Use a watch and know when to move on if you're stuck. Strategy number 6, practice mental math. For the no calculator section, being quick with basic math can save you precious seconds. Brush up on multiplication, brush up on fractions, brush up on percentages. The faster you are, the more time you have for tough questions. Strategy number 7, review your mistakes. Every practice test is a gold mine of info. Don't just check your score, dig into every wrong answer and figure out why you missed it. That's where real improvement happens. All right, those are my top 7 strategies for SAT domination. Remember, the SAT isn't about being a genius, it's about being prepared and strategic. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more study hacks. And hey, drop a comment below with your SAT goals. I'd love to cheer you on. Good luck and go crush that test.